Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, you got that backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, a nice hood deflector, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into an additional 6 seat. Got 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt, and cup holders. This nice dark gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, and of course, if you need more space, you can lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You have your parking brake and lights just right on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.8 kilometers. Now looking at your steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have a toggle frame menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you got some cup holders, nice little phone slot. We do have storage right here as well. Your 6 additional seat with storage below as well. You have storage here, USB and USB-C, nice little hook, 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt, drive modes, rear locking differential with 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. You have your climate controls right there with dual climate. Clicking here, you do get storage there as well as below, storage above. We do have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, or Wi-Fi, or whatever app you choose, apps in general, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings, as well as your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE36394, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.